I'm saying story. I'm not talking about content. I'm not saying bullet points. I'm saying story because I'm saying to you, don't write a deck, write a story. It's funny how we actually start every presentation by building the deck, by putting together the bullet points, by writing the paragraphs. And in reality, what we need to do is actually build and write what we're gonna say. Over our whole evolution, we transmit knowledge to each other through stories. Back in the days when they didn't have writing, they didn't have press, they didn't have internet, Facebook, how knowledge was passed from father to son. The stories, the Bible, religion, it's all passed through stories. Think about when you were a kid. Everybody knows the Peter and the Wolf story, right? It's not just a Brazilian thing, yeah? You guys all know, right? Think about the Peter and the Wolf, right? Now, when you're a kid, it's sometimes hard to understand concepts of right and wrong, truth or false, and sometimes it's hard to understand why it's not good for you to lie. Especially when you find out the lie can get you a lot of good things. So how you teach a kid that it's wrong to lie? You can just say, no, I'm not a parent, and I know there's parents in the room, but just bear with me. So how you teach your kid to say, look, lying is wrong? You can just say, don't lie, lie is wrong. He's gonna lie. What you do, you tell this story about this little boy who's a liar and trick all the people in his village, and then people stop trusting in him, and then when the moment of the lie actually became true, when the wolf actually came, nobody believed in him, and things got shit. And I know a lot of things, like I'm not a writer, you know? I don't know how to write. But reality is most of our communications right now, it's more text and written than spoken. I bet you have a lot of friends that you barely speak, but you're constantly texting them. You already exercise in the power of your hands, this effort of putting your ideas into words. You write how you think and how you said. It's already there. So just do it like that. You don't have to write a book. It's not a novel. But if you write a story for your deck, the next time you present it, you're going to remember what you just wrote. Because you don't remember bullet points, but you remember that movie that you watched 10 years ago. And if I ask you, what is this film about? You're going to tell me the story.